The animal kingdom is full of hidden talents and surprising intelligence often overlooked in our daily lives. Today, we'll reveal the extraordinary abilities of 10 familiar animals, talents that go far beyond what most people imagine. From complex social structures to ingenious problem solving, these creatures challenge our understanding of intelligence. Prepare to see animals in a new light, as we uncover feats of memory, empathy, and tool use that rival our own. Join us as we celebrate the unseen brilliance of life on Earth. Get ready to be amazed by what these animals can really do. Dogs are more than just loyal companions. These remarkable animals have abilities that go far beyond fetching a ball or offering comfort after a long day. They possess a sense of smell so powerful, it's transforming the world of medicine and changing how we think about disease detection. With noses millions of times more sensitive than ours, dogs can detect the faintest chemical signatures of diseases like cancer, diabetes, and can even predict epileptic seizures before they happen. Trained dogs have been known to alert their owners to cancerous moles or unusual changes in their bodies, sometimes long before any symptoms appear. They can sense dangerous blood sugar drops in people with diabetes, often reacting and warning their owners even before advanced medical devices can pick up on the change. These extraordinary abilities are now the focus of cutting-edge scientific research, with specialized training centers pairing these life-saving animals with people in need and teaching them to recognize a wide range of medical conditions. Dogs offer not just companionship, but a living early warning system, reminding us that even our closest animal friends have astonishing life-saving talents that science is only beginning to fully understand. Their diagnostic skills are changing lives every day and challenging our understanding of animal perception, intelligence, and the bond we share. So, the next time your dog sniffs you, remember, there's a chance they might just be looking out for your health and maybe even saving your life in ways you never imagined. Dolphins are celebrated for their remarkable intelligence, captivating scientists and animal lovers alike with their playful nature and complex behaviors. But what truly sets dolphins apart is their extraordinary use of tools, which marks them as genuine innovators of the sea and highlights their problem-solving abilities. In the crystal-clear waters of Shark Bay, Australia, bottlenose dolphins have developed a unique technique. They carefully select marine sponges and wear them on their rostrums like protective gloves, allowing them to safely probe the sandy seabed for hidden fish. This clever behavior isn't instinctive, it's a learned skill, passed down from mother to calf through generations, showing a remarkable example of animal culture. This sponging is more than just a simple trick. It represents cultural transmission and strategic problem solving, as dolphins adapt their methods to suit their environment. Dolphins also use shells and pieces of coral to trap or dislodge prey, demonstrating their ability to adapt their techniques to local conditions and available resources. Their capacity to plan ahead, modify tools for specific tasks, and actively teach these skills to others in their pod highlights a sophisticated and flexible mind at work. In research facilities, dolphins have been observed solving complex puzzles and manipulating levers or buttons to receive rewards, and even cooperating with one another to achieve shared goals, further proving their impressive mental flexibility and social intelligence. With their large, complex brains and ability to innovate, dolphins truly stand out as some of the ocean's most intelligent and creative inhabitants. Their intelligence, creativity, and social learning continue to surprise, delight, and inspire us, reminding us of the wonders that lie beneath the waves. Elephants are not just giants in size, but in emotional and social intelligence. Living in tight-knit matriarchal herds, they comfort the distressed, mourn their dead, and recognize themselves in mirrors, signs of empathy and self-awareness. Elephants cooperate to protect their young and rely on the matriarch's memory to find water and food, even after decades. Their communication includes vocalizations, body language, and seismic signals, keeping the herd connected across vast distances. These behaviors reveal a depth of feeling and cooperation that demands our respect. Elephants remind us that intelligence comes in many forms, and that it's worth protecting. Sharing 98% of our DNA, chimpanzees offer a window into the roots of human intelligence. In the wild, they craft and use tools, sticks for termites, stones for nuts, leaves for sponges, passing these skills through generations. Each community has its own tool culture, much like human traditions. Chimpanzees solve complex puzzles, stack boxes to reach food, and even learn sign language to communicate with humans. Their social lives are intricate, involving alliances, emotions, and political maneuvering. Studying chimpanzees reveals not only their talents, but also the evolutionary origins of our own intelligence. They are living proof that advanced cognition is not uniquely human. Octopuses, with their alien-like intelligence, defy expectations for invertebrates. Their brains are distributed, partly in their heads, partly in their arms, enabling them to solve puzzles, open jars, and escape enclosures with ease. Some octopuses use coconut shells as portable shelters, demonstrating foresight and tool use. They learn by observation, play with objects, and change color for camouflage and communication. Each arm can act independently, yet all are coordinated by a central brain. Octopuses challenge our definitions of intelligence, showing that complex minds can evolve in unexpected ways. Their curiosity and adaptability make them true enigmas of the deep. The octopus is a reminder that intelligence wears many faces in nature. African gray parrots are true masters of mimicry, astonishing scientists and pet owners alike with their uncanny ability to imitate human speech and a wide range of sounds from their environment. Their voices can be so accurate that it's sometimes hard to tell them apart from a real person. But their intelligence goes far beyond simply repeating words or sounds. These birds are capable of complex thought and problem-solving. Alex, the most famous African gray, worked with Dr. Irene Pepperberg and learned to use over 100 words meaningfully, not just by rote. He understood abstract concepts like color, shape, and even the idea of zero, something few animals can grasp. Alex could count objects, categorize them by different features, and even invent new words to describe unfamiliar items, showing creativity and adaptability. These parrots are skilled at solving puzzles, manipulating objects with their beaks and feet, and they learn by observing others, demonstrating social learning abilities that rival those of primates and dolphins. Their remarkable ability to use words in the right context and to engage in simple, meaningful conversations with humans challenges our traditional ideas about animal communication and intelligence. African greys prove that a bird's brain, though small, can support sophisticated thought, reasoning, and even emotional understanding. Their impressive talents force us to rethink what it truly means to be intelligent and how we define intelligence across species. In the fascinating world of animal minds, African gray parrots stand out as true conversationalists and thinkers, bridging the gap between humans and the animal kingdom. Crows, often called feathered apes, are among the smartest birds on the planet. New Caledonian crows craft tools from twigs and leaves, shaping them to extract insects from crevices. They solve multi-step puzzles, drop stones to raise water levels, and even plan for future needs, behaviors once thought unique to humans. Crows cache food, remember hundreds of hiding spots, and recognize individual human faces. Their social intelligence is remarkable, involving cooperation, learning, and even passing knowledge to others. Crows thrive in cities, adapting to new challenges with ease. Their ingenuity proves that intelligence isn't limited to mammals. Crows remind us that brilliance can come in unexpected forms. Rats, often misunderstood, are saving lives with their extraordinary sense of smell. African giant pouched rats, or hero rats, are trained to detect landmines and diagnose tuberculosis with remarkable accuracy. Light enough to avoid triggering mines, they can clear large areas quickly and safely, transforming communities in former war zones. In labs, they screen hundreds of TB samples in minutes, identifying cases missed by traditional methods. These rats challenge our perceptions, proving that even the most unlikely animals can be heroes. Their work is a testament to the power of animal intelligence and human ingenuity. Sometimes the smallest creatures make the biggest difference. Pigeons, often dismissed as city pests, possess surprising cognitive abilities. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare feat in the animal world, showing self-awareness. Pigeons have exceptional visual memory, distinguishing between artists' paintings and remembering thousands of images. Their navigational skills are legendary, using the sun, magnetic fields, and landmarks to find their way home over vast distances. In cities, pigeons adapt quickly, learning to recognize individual humans and exploit new food sources. Their intelligence allows them to thrive in complex environments. Next time you see a pigeon, remember, there's a remarkable mind behind those feathers. Bees are more than pollinators, they're tiny geniuses with a symbolic language and a grasp of math. The waggle dance communicates the location of food with precision, using direction and distance relative to the sun. Bees can understand the concept of zero and perform simple addition and subtraction, feats rare even among mammals. Their brains, though tiny, are incredibly efficient, packing complex learning and memory into less than 1 million neurons. Bees challenge our assumptions about intelligence, showing that even the smallest creatures can solve big problems. Their hidden talents are a reminder of the wonders found in every corner of nature. Intelligence, it seems, knows no size. Our journey through the animal kingdom reveals a world rich in intelligence, empathy, and ingenuity. From dogs and rats saving lives to dolphins, crows, and bees solving complex problems, these animals expand our understanding of what it means to be smart. Each species offers a unique glimpse into the many ways life adapts and thrives. Their talents deserve our awe, respect, and protection. Which animal surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing animal stories.